Hello, Migo.
What you doing, Roly?
Well, I'm reading my book. Would you like to read it with me?
Yes-ity, please-ity, Roly. Story time with Roly Mo, my favourite time of day.
Oh, well then, are you sitting comfortably?
Yes-ity, yes. Let's go, Roly Mo.
Good. Then I'll begin. All the birds in Little Vern's family sang beautifully. But poor Vern couldn't sing at all. Whenever he tried, all that came out was a little eek. The cat next door always laughed at him. Hey, little Vern, she would say, have you learned to sing yet? Eek, sang little Vern. Little Vern's mother told him not to worry. If he kept practicing, one day he would find his own song. So little Vern practiced. Eek, and practiced. Eek, and practiced. Eek. But he still didn't find his own song. One morning, Vern flew to the top of his favourite tree to try again. He opened his beak to start, and he heard a lovely noise. Woof, woof! It was a dog playing with his bone. Woof, woof! Vern decided that this would be his song. He tried and tried all day, and soon he found he could make the same noise. Woof, woof, woof! That evening, he flew back home to show everyone his new song. The cat sat underneath the tree, ready to laugh at him again. Vern took a big breath and... Ruff! Ruff! Meow! Said the cat next door and ran off. Oh, Vern, laughed his mother. She thinks you're a dog. You've scared her away. Vern's little brother and sister cheered and told him to keep his new song. And so that's how little Vern became the bird who barked, and the cat next door never laughed at him again.
Ooh, I like that story, Roly.
Ooh, that's good, Migo.
I liked it nearly as much as I like Sprout and Molly Munchies and cheese and Pippi and Sprouts and Cherry Melon stew.
Well, it's time for us to go now. Come and find us next time, won't you? Cheerio.
Molly Munchies.